Hey guys, it's Aaron with Joe's Game Electronics back with another repair on the Xbox Series S. Today I will be replacing the power supply on the Xbox Series S, and the reason a lot of people would replace this is potentially there was a power outage and your console surged, or for some reason your power supply is not working. So to do this, let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to remove these two little plastic pieces that cover the screw holes. I have removed them for video purposes, but to do so, you're going to just pop right up with the flat head. Be careful not to damage the housing, but you're going to pop up, and it exposes these two screws. You're just going to grab a T9 screwdriver bit, and you're going to unscrew them. Once you're done with that, flip it on the bottom side, slide down with your thumbs, pop up. Now you're exposed with all of this craziness. Next, we're going to unscrew the 7 green screws. They're long body screws, so it's pretty simple here. Just pop them off. Once those are done, you're going to want to unscrew these two silver screws, these two, this one, and those two. This is what I found easiest to pull it off, so let's do that. Once you remove those screws, just put them to the side, and you're gonna want to flip the console back over to this side. I grab it by these two sides here, just push down with my thumb, pops right up. Put this to the side. Now, you're gonna wanna just grab this, slide up the metal plate here. Now you're exposed with your fan and your power supply. If you're trying to replace the fan, I have a video for that on our channel, but for this one, we'll be replacing the power supply. Since we've already done all the work to unscrew the screws on the bottom side, all you're gonna do is pop up on the power supply. Maybe I missed a screw. I do not see a screw that I missed, but let's see. Oh, no, it was pretty tight in there. So sometimes it'll be easier than that, but there's these little metal pins on the back side of the power supply. Just pop up on the power supply. These two connections connect into here. Get rid of that power supply, grab a new one. So I got a new power supply here. I'm gonna drop it. Put it in. You're just gonna make sure you want to align those two with those. Drop it right in. Once that's in, you're gonna grab this. Make sure you align it properly with the holes on the fan side. And you're gonna make sure this little pin here is sticking through the metal housing. Next, I'm gonna grab this main housing. There's a lot of different ways of doing this, but it slips on pretty easily. Make sure you align these properly. Flip the console over. Now, this is kind of where it gets tricky. I like to make sure that my power supply pins are straight in there. They're a little bit off, as you can see there. They're a little high. But when you screw this in, you want to screw in both sides at once separately. On the older consoles, a little bit more tedious than this. This is very easy plug and play. But once that's screwed in, you'll see that they're perfectly aligned now. And then we're gonna want to screw in the rest of the screws here. Once you get all those silver screws screwed in, you're gonna want to grab your green screws, your 7 green screws, drop them into their holes. If everything is aligned properly, they should fall right in. Make sure they are not getting forced down. You could be breaking something on the bottom side of the board here. So I'll drop those in. Screw them all in. Once you screw in those 7 screws, you're just going to put on this back plate here. Push down on it and screw in those 2 screws. Now we're going to go ahead and screw in these 2 screws here. And your console is now repaired. If you guys have any questions about this repair or any other repairs we have no videos on, feel free to contact us and we can work on making a new video or walk you through the steps. If you do not feel comfortable doing this repair yourself, we also do service the console, so you can send it in to us and we'll do all the work for you. And if you are looking for the parts, they may be in the description below, or I might put them up there. You never know. So please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.